Hey everyone, it's Marie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2022. I really haven't had a chance to do a whole lot of videos for a while, going through the holidays and the new year and everything, but I am excited to get back into it, and I'm excited to share with you guys the Spellbinders card kit for the month of February 2022. So we're going to unbox this together. I have not opened this yet, but the Spellbinders card kits are always jam-packed with all kinds of fun things for building cards, but you don't have to stop at cards. You can use this for scrapbooking, you can use this for albums, pocket page layouts, anything that you want to do. It's great for all kinds of paper crafting. Me being a card maker, I am going to make some cards today, and I'm going to give you a few ideas on cards that you can make, but don't let your creativity stop there. Take these kits and just go wild with them. Now, if you do get inspired by something I make today, go ahead and tag me on social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. You can find me at Nicole Designs, or on Instagram, I'm Marie Nicole _H. And I'll put links down in the description so that you can easily find me wherever I am on social media. All right, are we ready to get into the February Spellbinders card kit for 2022? I know I am. So let me switch you to my overhead camera and open up this card kit. All right, here is the February card kit. Comes in this really cute box, and you can keep it in here easily, put it on your shelf and store everything away. Or if you want to just get crafting, go ahead, use all of the supplies up right away. You're gonna get another kit next month if you subscribe and sign up for the monthly subscription. Again, I'll have the links down in the description box if you're interested in any of the monthly subscriptions from Spellbinders. They not only have the card kit, but they also have stamps. They also have dies, several different die sets. They've got foiling plates, so their Glimmer Club, tons of different clubs and subscriptions that you can check out. Anyway, I'll put all of that information in the description box. Let's not wait any longer. Let's open this card kit. I love how they always package it with that little sticker. It just feels so fun to open this up and see what's inside. Each kit every month has a kind of a little theme. So here we go. We've got the card kit of the month for February. It gives you this little information sheet where you have some ideas on here, things you can make, and it gives you a step-by-step that you can recreate one of these cards. Now, this instruction sheet and this step-by-step usually goes along with the die set that comes in the kit. There is a die set that comes in every kit, and here is this kit's die set. I will give you a closer look at all of these dies when I get into creating, but it looks like it's a fun little floral vine here with some sentiments, so that'll be fun to add to cards. You always get a stack of cards that are blank. They come with the envelopes so that you can easily put together all of your elements and build your own cards and send them off. So you get those handy dandy. There are these really fun sequins. I love that they are sort of clear, but they've got that iridescence to them, so they're gonna go perfectly with any color scheme that you choose. There's all of these die cut shapes. Those will be fun to get into. I love the die cut shapes. They are ready to go. You can slap them on cards. You can make little arrangements with them, put them in pocket pages. They're just so handy to have them all ready to go here in these card kits. You usually get with these card kits a few foam squares and some tape adhesive. This is great for adding dimension and putting your layers down on your cards. So I'm really excited that they always give you some adhesives because you can never have enough. So this month it looks like they're adding some little chipboard frames here. There's some squares, rectangles, and ovals, and it looks like some of these frames have some foiling on them, so we always love a little bit of shine. There is this little stamp set that's got all of these different sentiments. So it's miss you, sending loving thoughts, let's catch up, you are the truest of friends, on my mind and in my heart. Love you. You can text me anytime. So it looks like these are all some really fun and encouraging sentiments that you can stamp onto your cards. And I love how they have mixed up the fonts. You've got like this typewriter font with sort of more of a scripty font, and I think that's really pretty. These are some, I think, adhesive chipboard stickers. We have some swans here, hugs, coffee, love that, some little hearts, and miss you, grateful, cherished. And on the back here, you've got some more. You've got a candle, a little squirrel. I'm getting some kind of cozy vibes here with the candle and that cup of coffee. But there's also a little bit of a Valentine's theme going on. It's not like in your face Valentine's, but we definitely get the love and the hearts here. So great for February. All right, here is the 6x6 paper pad. Usually in these kits, they give you a 6x6 paper pad of cardstock and pattern paper that goes with the theme. So these are looking like a lot of spring and Valentine's type colors. So here's some really fun pastel rainbows. Oh, I like this one. This one's really pretty. It's got some of those bluish green vines there. Lots of stripes, different patterns, florals. That one's kind of fun. You've got the map of the world, raindrops, and this one is got some foiling on it, so those words are actually gold foiled, so that's really pretty. You get several of the same patterns in here, so those patterns, you get several of the same pages, so you get plenty to work with. Now in the card kits, they also give you a stack of more heavy cardstock. Now this is more of a thinner pattern paper, great for making layers, but for your card bases and different things, this cardstock is a little bit heavier. So they pick out some of their cardstock colors that coordinate with all the things in the kit. So we've got navy, and I think that's kind of a white or off-white, some purple, yellow, a peach color, blue, and more of a coral and a green. So all of these fun cardstocks, and then they give you some of their, I don't know if it's called mirror cardstock or if it's just gold foil cardstock, but it is really pretty, and this is fun to die cut. So we're gonna have to get into this kit and make some things. So I'm gonna take a few minutes here to look through everything again, get some ideas, and put some cards together with you guys. I also promised you guys I would show you what the dies from this set look like. So here they are. You get this one die here that is sort of this little arched vine, and I've cut that out twice just to show you that you can arrange this on your card as a frame, which looks really nice, or you could use one at a time if you want to. You also get these little flowers here. So these are really fun to layer on top of your frame here, make it a little bit more dimensional, get some more pieces going on here, and you can mix and match all of the colors, make it spring, fall, winter, for Christmas, whatever you want to do. So these dies are great because they work with the kit, but after you've used up all the paper and stickers and everything for the kit, you still have the dies, and you can use these for all kinds of different seasons. Now, along with the flowers, you get the little inside piece, the little centerpiece for the flowers, which is really cool, and you can go ahead and layer those on. I think I also like putting a little drop or a jewel in the center of my flowers, so it's great that you have those options. Now here's all of the little sentiment pieces here. You get all of these little word dies, and they cut out all of these words. So I'll go through these here and show you what words are in this kit. You've got perfect, saying, made, hello, my, just, our, day, and you. So you can mix and match all of these words here to make your own sentiments. You could say, just saying hello, you have just made my day, you are perfect, and you can mix and match them to make all kinds of really fun and encouraging sentiments. So I'm going to go ahead and use these dies to create a card today, and I'm going to kind of show you all the ways to put these things together to make some fun cards. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I have some strips of colored paper, and this is from the paper from the kit. I am just going to go ahead and adhere these down and some stripes, and then I'm gonna put our die cuts over it and just kind of make a fun arrangement with all the pieces in this kit. So I'm just going to leave some stripes on the bottom portion of my card and layer our little die cut vines or branches, whatever you want to call them, in the middle. And then I'm going to put this cute little frame on top after I've added a sentiment. So for these little tiny pieces, I'm going to take some glue that I've got from Spellbinders, and you can find this in their shop. This is their Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. It comes with this little pin so that this little tiny applicator, very precise applicator, doesn't get clogged. And you can just add little dots on the back of your tiny dies or tiny pieces of paper or whatever you're working with, and it's really handy for precision gluing. And I really love this glue. Gives you some wiggle time before it dries, but it also dries fairly quickly, and it's never really warped my paper. So this is one of the glues I frequently reach for. Down, and now I have my little frame all adhered down, and I'm going to go ahead and layer this on top. But first I want to stamp a sentiment to go in the middle of this. All right, move that to the side, and here's my little sentiment on my frame that I'm going to add to the front of my card. And I am going to use my foam adhesive for this. So super cute. And then this is already measured out to be a little bit smaller than my card base, because I'm going to pop it up again on some more foam adhesive that I have from my own personal stash, because you can never have too much dimension. And add this to my card base. Now, before I add things to my card base, I like to open up my card, make sure that I have it going the right way, and then I just adhere it down. Make sure I try to get it all lined up. And there is a really quick and easy card using those dies and the papers and all of the good things from this kit. I also have some other cards that I have worked on off camera, so I'll just give you an idea of the other card designs that you can do with this kit. I've got one here that I have used the die cuts and pattern papering with, and I popped up the die cuts on front, made a fun little arrangement, stamped a sentiment. I even did a little sewing on this card. So this one's really fun. This one again is using the pattern paper, that chipboard frame, some of the die cuts, and stamped a little sentiment down here. And I like to add a little bit of sewing to my cards. I think it's just a really fun little detail that you can put on there. And then this one was fun. I actually wrapped some vellum around a piece of cardstock and put some sequins in there. So it is a shaker card, but you don't see it as well. I put some of the die cuts in front, and then I added a little piece of tissue paper. Now the kit comes with all of the things inside wrapped in tissue paper. You saw me open that sticker and open it up. You can use that tissue paper and just add ruffles around different bits of your card. So that's what I did. I put ruffles behind this piece of vellum, and I think it turned out really cute. So those are some ideas on cards to make with the kit. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, the unboxing, got a good look at what's in here, and I can't wait to see what all of you do with this kit. So happy crafting. Make sure you go ahead and post your creations online. Tag me if you want me to see them. Tag Spellbinders. I'm sure they want to see them too. Otherwise, if you haven't yet, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tap the bell for notifications, and just do all the things. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. This is our new puppy. Say hi, Mokes. Hi, Mokes. This is Moki. We got him over Christmas and I wanted to introduce him. Moki, look at the camera. Look.